Hey guys, so I ordered this Molblly memory foam mattress off of Amazon. So I'm just going to unbox it and show it to you. And you want to be careful unboxing memory foam mattresses. That you can't do it quickly. You have to give it time. They're all very compressed, and so they kind of have to naturally undo themselves. Alright, get it open. Let's get it out of the box here. So it comes with a thank you and a little quick cutter here. This will be a lot safer than using, like, say, a knife. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're just going to roll this thing out. So this is the bottom here, or the end of it. So we're going to use this little cutter thing here to cut this plastic off. Don't want to put a hole in the actual mattress itself. Now we're not going to unroll, we're going to let it unroll naturally. As the air, it starts to absorb air, it will not naturally unroll itself. And now we're just going to wait for it to fully recover overnight. We'll come back in the morning and then we'll put the bed linens on and just let it do its thing naturally all by itself. Okay, so it's the following morning. I let it expand overnight. It's fully expanded. So let's go ahead and get this plastic bag off of it and just look at the mattress here. Alright, so the mattress has expanded all over the whole night, and got a nice mattress here. This actually, I bought this for my father, who's coming to visit, and wanted to have a nice bed for him to sleep on. So got the mattress and the bed frame all together, and hopefully he's going to enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the heart or thumbs up underneath the video to let me know this video helped you out. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.